Hey, how's it going? I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XS. So I'm not going to delay, let's just jump right into it. Alright, so here's the iPhone XS box. It's very nice. Let's take off the plastic. Just throw that on the floor. There it is. It's a very nice box, just like last year. I'm looking around for my last year's box, one sec. This is the iPhone X box. So, kind of see the difference. I don't know which one I like better. Well, this one's kind of dirty, but I think I like this one better, to be honest. But, alright, let's open this thing. There we go. Here's the paperwork. And here's the actual phone right there. Lovely. Quickly go through the paperwork. iPhone, bonjour, hello. We got our SIM tool, which I'll be using. Apple stickers, very nice. Here's the phone itself. It's a very nice phone. Wow. It's always nice to just look at one of these for the first time. Look at that. So let's that was very satisfying. Turn it on. Assuming we're not dead. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's booting up. What else do we have in here? So we no longer have a dongle, which sucks because I could have used another one. We do have earbuds, as well as the lightning charger and the basic 5-watt power adapter. I really wish it would come with the supercharger. It's pretty annoying, but whatever. What are you gonna do? So I'm gonna boot this thing up and then we'll take a closer look at it. Hello is what it was saying. Hola. Okay, so we're here. Things booted up really nicely. This feels good. It feels basically like the iPhone X, honestly. There's not much of a difference. In fact, you can't even tell it's a different phone other than right there. You can see the antenna line on the bottom cutting through the speaker grill for whatever reason I decided to do that. That's the only difference. So there's not really much else to this. I'm just going to set it up, and I'm sure you guys have seen it before. Alright, and that was my unboxing of the iPhone XS. Obviously, there's not a whole lot to see here. It's pretty straightforward. You get the paperwork, the phone, headphones, charger, nothing too crazy. I'm going to be posting a lot more about the iPhone XS very soon. My review hopefully will be here by next weekend, I'm thinking. I'm looking forward to using this thing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe hit that like button and consider subscribing for more content just like this. You can always also follow me over on Twitter and Instagram if you want to keep up with everything happening with this new iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Josh from 91 Tech, and I will see you all next time.